Behold nature's greatest paradox. A creature moving faster than thought, yet mastering perfect stillness. What if speed wasn't about motion, but about presence? Here is a creature that drinks from tornadoes, whose heart beats 1,200 times a minute, yet chooses to hover before you, as if to say, look closer. The secret of light is learning to hold it. What if your hunger was not a weakness, but a sacred compass? This tiny alchemist transforms sugar water into liquid starlight, fueling a heart that can power supernovas. You, too, were built to metabolize wonder. Shamans called them messengers between worlds for a reason. Their flight paths write invisible signals in the air, the same geometry found in quantum foam and neural networks. Shamans called them messengers between worlds. Physicists measure their warping of space-time. What both know, this is no ordinary bird, but a living bridge between Earth and eternity. The bird tracing a perfect infinity symbol across the sky. When science and spirit agree, pay attention. To burn this bright demands radical rest. Every night, it surrenders to near death, heart slowing to 3 beats per minute. Dying to live, living to die. A mantra written in hemoglobin and lightning. You cannot outrun darkness, but you can let it teach you to pulse. They remember what we forgot. That to be fierce and soft, to hunger and hover, is the oldest magic of all. Use the remainder seconds to pulse and meditate. Let the frequency carry you home to yourself.